Hi, Kavita. Kavita. Hello.
Hello.
What's going on?
We're
Where
at
are we?
Victoria Station, and
Right.
then we're going to go to a coffee shop, and then we're going to catch a train and go back to Parsons Green.
Yeah. Where did we come from?
Brighton.
We're coming from Brighton. We're back. We took the train yesterday, right?
Yeah?
And now we're here.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Whistle stop, food and wine.
Whistle stop means.
Whistle stop.
What does it mean? Do you ever hear a whistle when the train is about to leave?
Yeah?
Maybe that's why. They have a lot of magazines here, don't they?
Yeah.
They have like magazines for everybody.
Want to sit here?
East Burlington, Essex, Bristol Park, Hove and Brighton. This train is all built 8 coaches. Platform 18 for the 16, 33 Southern service to Brighton. Redfield, Gatwick
And me look,
Three Bridges.
Victoria Palace, shopping and eating. And me, I want to eat McDonald's.
Oh,
Passengers for Billington should board the front 8 coaches. Passengers for Portborough should board the front 9 coaches. 25 Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour via Horsham and Bognor.
Kavita. Hi.
Hi.
Do you like the station?
Yeah.
Okay then. Goodbye.
Bye bye.